Are you ready to start blogging today? If you are, I created this step-by-step short video tutorial so you will know exactly how to sign up for Bluehost in less than 15 minutes. You will learn how to register your free domain, install WordPress on your server, install your preloaded theme, and publish your first blog post. It is very easy that you will be kicking yourself in the butt for not getting started sooner. Hi, if this is your first time, welcome to our channel. 7 reasons why Bluehost is the number one and only web host company we recommend. Amazing price, money back guarantee, outstanding customer service, reliable provider, easy to install WordPress, preloaded theme, free domain name included in your sign up. And there is 2 reasons why you should start blogging today. First one, to create a personal brand, your own platform to educate, inform, and inspire others. Second one, and most important, it is the first step in monetizing your services and offering as an online entrepreneur. Blogging will open more doors than any other business model. See, if I knew then what I know now, I would have come out blogging or working online sooner. So to start setting up your business blog, the first thing you need to do is click the link below where it says started and follow the video tutorial. I am a preferred Bluehost affiliated partner. Therefore, you will be taken to this exclusive landing page. Like this one, to offer especially for you to gain access to Bluehost's exclusive offer for WordPress bloggers or online business and receive the lowest price to join Bluehost. So it will be taking you to a landing page that look like this one with 4 different plans, and I will recommend the Choice Plus because you get more for your money. Select. Then you create a name, the name for your business. For instance, you can say, okay, Mickey Mouse Jewelry. Next, you put your personal information. There is things you don't need this, you don't need the side lock security for now. And if you are on a budget, you can do a monthly payment, or you can do a yearly payment. We're gonna go for a year payment. See, the longer you get, the cheaper it gets. You don't need none of that, even though it's free, but there is 2 things that you really need. Domain privacy protection to protect your personal information. You also need SSL. And SSL utilizes the additional security. It's the encrypted information that provides for you to protect your personal information, like a credit card number, and so on and so forth. Once you're done, then you put submit, So I'm not gonna put my info, and it'll take you to another page. WordPress can be installed with a single click. You don't need hardcore skills to install it. Did you know that WordPress was originally designed for bloggers, but their good component and functionality platform was so good that small businesses started using it? WordPress is now the platform of choice, not only personal and business blogs, but also for many other kinds of sites. BlogPress is now the third most used platforms around the world. Here you can see I chose Hestia because I think it's a nice website to sell and also for blogging. But you choose whatever you like within the free themes. Then you do the same, just click it. When it's finished and completed, then you will go to the WordPress website and we'll do our first post. I'm gonna log in to do our first post. And don't forget that to establish a strong web presence, you don't need to pay thousands of dollars to a web developer. You don't need to know advanced coding language. Honestly, Bluehost allows you to build, create a beautiful website without any staff designer. Just click, drop, drag. You're gonna start building your website in no time. Here, go to post, then you add new. Here, when you do the pictures, go to media. Here, you go here in library and post your picture. You must insert a picture in your blogging. Now I have already saved, so I'm gonna paste it. We're gonna give it a title. The benefits of yoga. And I did not save any picture, so I don't have any picture to insert. So we just leave it as it is. But then we're gonna do a preview for you to see how it will look. Also, once you're done with it, you can put enter publish. Just click publish and you will see. But let's see how it will look. Okay, here we go for everyone to read and see it. Pink, because I like pink. You can choose anything you like and then you can go home or go back to the dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet again, take care of yourself and stay a good friend of our channel. See you next time.